Hello, my name is Ken Kirkpatrick and I am the founder and president of KLK Welding Incorporated. This year, we have the privilege of acting as a presenting sponsor for the Chamber's Virtual Business Awards Series. KLK Welding Incorporated has remained committed throughout the years in supporting the Chamber's local business endeavors and will remain committed to supporting our local industry. We are an organization that has provided quality welding and fabrication services to the Hanover area for over 35 years. We proudly serve customers regardless of project size and complexity and are proud to be a voice of trade within our community. On behalf of the Hanover Chamber of Commerce, we want to recognize the following members for their unwavering dedication to the Chamber and its initiatives. Last year was probably the most challenging year of any of these businesses has seen to date, and yet they've adapted and survived, all while maintaining their commitment to the Chamber. There may be more challenging years ahead, and while we can't always know who will be by our side during tough times, one thing is certain: the Chamber will always be here to serve its membership and the greater Hanover community. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dr. John Scola, Superintendent of Schools for the Hanover Public School District. I am proud to announce that we received our 60th year award from the Chamber of Commerce as proud members. We appreciate everything the Chamber has done for us in the community, and we will continue to work hand in hand with them to promote programs for our students. At this time, I would like to introduce Mr. David Harnish, our School to Work Coordinator, who will explain to you some of the offerings that we make available to our students annually. Mr. Harnish.
I'm David Harnish, School to Work Coordinator at Hanover High School, and I'm extremely grateful for all the years that we have worked together and partnered with the Hanover Chamber, for the Workforce Development Board that has helped with our mock interviews, internships, job placements over the years, and then not to mention over the last 5 years, the variety of programs that we've been able to develop with our pre-apprenticeship program through the Department of Labor and Industry, with higher education for precision machining, as well as a mechatronics program that we've developed here within our school district, and again with the collaboration of local businesses. We're extremely grateful for these partnerships and the opportunities that they create for our students to help bridge the gap between the high school and their careers and higher education needs in the future. Over the last number of years, we've developed 9 certification and credentialing programs within our high school, and I'd like to introduce Mr. Mark Abels, Assistant Principal here at Hanover High School.
Good morning, my name is Mark Abels and I am the Assistant Principal of Hanover High School. It is my honor and privilege to work in a district that has worked very hard under the leadership of Dr. Scola to create a fully comprehensive technical school that allows our students to get credentials and become both career and college ready. Our first 2 programs are Pennsylvania Department of Education approved. We have our welding technician program, in which students spend 720 hours welding over 3 periods a day and are eligible to take their NOCTI exam to show their competency. We also have a PDE approved program, Diversified Occupations. That program is for seniors only, and they take 1 period a day, and then they spend the rest of their day out in the business world working in their various businesses. We also are proud to have a NIMS, which is the National Institute for Metalworking Skills program. Within that program, which is nationally accredited, we partnered with the PA Department of Labor and Industry. And we've also partnered with the Hanover Area Chamber of Commerce, and we're very proud to have our students earning those credentials. We also have a mechatronics program that we partner with the Hanover Chamber of Commerce, in which students learn mechatronics skills, and within that they are able to earn a credential as well. We also have computer science, in which students take robust coursework and they too earn a credential in that. Finally, we have credentials in music technology, culinary arts, and early childhood education. We partnered with a myriad of local businesses in which we are able to not only gain their expertise and knowledge, but adapt our curriculum to better prepare them for the workforce in the 21st century. Finally, I'm very pleased to announce that we are in the second year of our drone piloting course, and it is my pleasure to introduce Preston Isaacs, and he's going to talk a little bit about the curriculum for the drone piloting course.
All right, hello, my name is Preston Isaacs, and I took the drone flying class this year. And over the course of the year, not only did we learn how to fly the drones, but we learned how to build them, and we learned about the different weather patterns, along as how to read the weather patterns, how to write the weather patterns. We learned what is legal to fly, where is legal to fly, how high you should fly. We learned about exceptions and if you need to contact to get the exceptions to fly. Over the course of the year, we were well prepared for the test at the end of it. We even took plenty of practice tests preparing us for the course. The thing I loved the most about this program was the cooperations between the teachers and the students, the building of the drones. At the end of this course, you do have the ability to go in and take the aeronautical test for your pilot's license. Me and Olivia Kiefer were the first two students to do so and obtain the license.
Hi, I am Olivia Kiefer, and I'm currently a junior at Hanover High School, and I am very happy to go to school here because we have a lot of great courses. I had taken the drone pilot course, and I also earned my drone pilot license at the end of the course. The test was it was kind of hard, I'm not going to lie, but it was also a great experience, and now I am a licensed drone pilot, and with that I can get a job in a bunch of different fields, and I could even fly drones for Amazon if I wanted to. And I am also involved in NOCTI, which is our welding program, so at the end of my senior year I will have a certificate that says I am a certified welder, and I am also working towards my computer science credential and as well as my OSHA 10 certification for welding.
In closing, we are so proud of our staff and our administration, as you had heard their remarks, that really solidify our relationship with the Chamber of Commerce. Especially proud of our two students who have taken advantage of everything that we have to offer, and hopefully after college they'll join the workforce in the Hanover area and be productive citizens in the future. We are certainly looking forward to continuing our relationship with the Chamber and thank them for everything they do and every contribution they make to make this a great place to live. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pat McGrath with Vulcan Materials Company, and we're celebrating 70 years with the Hanover Chamber of Commerce. First off, I'd like to thank the dedicated men and women that work here. We wouldn't be able to do what we do without our employees, some of whom have been here for over 50 years. I'd also like to thank the Hanover Chamber for the work they do, making resources available to local businesses, creating networking opportunities, connecting us with local legislators, and lately the frequent COVID-19 updates. A little background on us: Bethlehem Steel began quarrying limestone and dolomite out of the Hanover area after World War I, and Vulcan's been the owner and operated the quarry since 2000. We produce construction materials for the local community. We strive to be a safe and rewarding place for our employees to work. Business was challenging in 2020, but we came through it, and we expect to see brighter days in 2021 and beyond. And that includes being around to celebrate anniversaries with the Chamber at 75 and 100 years. So thank you very much, and stay safe out there.